Medicine and politics. Never mix these two things. There are two approaches: science-based, sentiment-based, and power-based. It's crucial to distinguish between the two. The Kovy Shield vaccination, created by a British farming firm named AstraZeneca, is causing controversy in India. 51 lawsuits have been filed against the company in the UK, alleging that the vaccine is defective and has caused serious injury and death. While AstraZeneca has denied these charges, they have admitted that their vaccine may cause blood clots in rare cases. The social media trending topic, giants, has sparked questions about the Indian government's approval of the vaccination and accountability. One of the hashtags is this: #arrest Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi has received tens of thousands of tweets and comments. Opposition parties have criticized the administration, but is their indignation justified? What does the science say? Let us take a closer look at India. The Serum Institute licensed AstraZeneca's vaccination, known as Kovy Shield. The number of Indians who received this vaccine is unknown. However, a conservative estimate can be made. India has provided approximately 22 CR dosages, with nearly 80% of these reportedly effective. The COVID vaccination, known as Kovy Shield, was administered to around 176 crore Indians, with each person receiving 2 shots. This equates to over 80 crore Indians, or 800 million people, who may be at risk of blood clots. The quick answer is no. However, this social media debate lacks AstraZeneca did not hide the risk of blood clots, as stated in the packaging insert. The risk was observed in very rare cases, less than 1 in 100,000, so it was not hidden. Is this risk serious? Let's review the numbers. In a 2022 UK survey of 46 million people, the danger of clotting was found to be modest, with less than 3 cases per million. The virus was also shown to be much more prevalent. The study found that the vaccine increases the risk of blood clotting, but the benefits clearly outweigh the risks. Anti-vaxxers are using this controversy to discredit the COVID vaccine, but other vaccines also have similar risks. All vaccines, including influenza, H1N1, and rabies, have been connected to the risk of blood contamination. Should we discontinue their use? The solution is obvious. Vaccine makers acknowledge that their shots are not 100% effective and have side effects, as do governments. Vaccine approval is not a political decision, but rather a consultation with doctors and scientists. India follows the same process, and all vaccines are approved by facts. The CDC is the Central Drug Standard Control Agency, hence accurate information is crucial. Astrazeneca is a rare side effect that can be fatal, but it is not a hidden plot. The risk of COVID remains far higher than that of vaccines. Do not believe antiers. Could have been better handled. Better. In retrospect, it's possible that farming firms may have discussed the potential adverse effects of shots more thoroughly. Governments could have raised awareness, but the situation was different back then. Saving lives came first, and big farmers did not prioritize anything else. They did what they did for profit. Pfizer made over $100 billion in revenue in 2022, with approximately $57 billion coming from COVID vaccines and antivirals. Prior to the pandemic, their total revenue was less than $57 billion, indicating that big farmers profited from the pandemic. The top companies made around $90 billion in profits. Pfizer made $35 billion, Biotech and Moderna made $20 billion apiece, and China Sinovac made $15 billion. While some may protest the windfall profits and overcharging of vaccinations, the discussion of potential negative effects is risky. The headlines do not represent the nuanced aspects of the final DET, which fuels vaccine hesitancy after 3 horrific years and millions of deaths. We should know better. It remains a risky situation. Many people get vaccinated to avoid the dangers of a certain disease, not knowing that the vaccination itself can also cause a lot of damage. And what is wisdom? Of course, none of this was known yet at the time of vaccination. Hopefully, very few or no people suffer from this dangerous side effect. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out the other videos about health. Thank you for watching.